how to turn dollar tree trays into beautiful decor pieces. Hey guys, Yoduvh Essentials here. For today's video, I'm going to be using two different kinds of dollar tree trays to make home decor pieces. This is the first tray, which I'll keep aside for now. And I'll be starting off with the other design. This has an oval shape, and I'll be taking off the middle of the tray with a pair of scissors. For this first design, I'll be using 7 trays, and all the trays will be linked together like a chain. Because these are light in weight and I don't want to damage the trays, I'll be closing them up with tape. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to click on the subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Like I said earlier, I want this to look like a large chain when I'm done. I'll be making holes on these to make it easy for me to attach what I have in mind for the middle. These are the ones by the sides, and I attach them like this so they would lay flat on the wall. I don't want the pattern to move around, so I'm going to hold it down with tape to make sure I like the design before I use a strong adhesive under them. I'll be cutting the size of foam board that I need for the middle. I'll be putting what I made on top of this and then tracing out the inner shape. I'm going to carve this out, cover it with mirror reflective paper, and then attach it to the trays. I'll be using zip ties to attach it to the trays. I'll be covering up the middle with this fabric that I got from Joann Fabric. After attaching this on the wall with command strips, I noticed that the top was leaning over. So I'll recommend using a wider foam board to make sure that all the trays are on the board and flat on the board. That way it will look flat on the wall. You can make this as wide as you want using more trays and more foam board. I'll be starting off the second design by cutting off small strips from an empty cardboard box. I'll roll this to make it flexible enough for me to use for the project. I'll be joining this together because I didn't have a long cardboard box nearby, but I'll recommend using a long cardboard box. That way you skip the step of joining all of the pieces together. I just made the size of the circle wide enough to fit inside the tray. When I was done, I took this out and I spray painted it silver and then made a hole where I'll be inserting faux flowers. I'll be covering this with bling wrap. This will be attached in between two of these round Dollar Tree trays. To avoid this from rolling over because both trays are round, you can simply just put a flat base at the bottom to keep it in place, or you can just cut out a straight piece from both trays to make it balanced on a flat surface. You can add little rocks inside to give it more weight. This was super easy to make and it looks really pretty on the table. Now the glass candelabra that you see at the back of the trays is so pretty and I got it online, and for those of you who like it, can also purchase yours with a link down in the description box below. For a 3D effect, you can add multiple bowls or just singular bowls like these that I have here and spray paint them silver. And you can make it more glittery by adding Dollar Tree confetti and applying it with Mod Podge and a brush. I did this to the bowl and the tray as well. Leaving the tray bare is also pretty, but however you finish your design, it's totally up to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. I have other home decor DIY videos that are linked in the description box below, and for those of you who have not subscribed, don't forget to click on the subscribe button.